Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can actually play the Survival Ascended crossplay in a PC. Like, can I play ARK Survival Ascended on my PC with a friend on PS5? Yes, you can, but the crossplay requires dedicated server, but in that case, yes. And someone wrote here this: I'm on Windows and PS5. Friend is on PS5. I repurpose an old unused gaming laptop to run a dedicated server for a friend and myself. Don't need beefy graphics, just plenty of RAM. Since the server runs in a term on the window, no regrets. And there are plenty of guides how we can create your own dedicated server, but this is the way how you can do it. In the Windows on Steam, download the ARK Ascended dedicated server. The quickest way to get started is to launch the dedicated server from Steam's launch button. In Steam, right-click on the app name to add some mods and tweak some settings in general launch options fields. And that's how it is.